Hello YouTube, hello my viewers, and welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to give you a better look at this Parkside 20-volt soldering station. It has a fast heat up time, it's battery operated, and of course in this video I'm going to give you a better look at this product than on a picture or on a website. So in this video I'm going to unbox, show you and test this cordless soldering station 20 volt. The model number is PLSA 20LIC3. It comes with a 3-year warranty. It has been delivered without a battery and without a charger. It has multiple accessories that come along with it. The working temperature, the operating temperature is 480 Celsius. And the heating up time is only 30 seconds up to 400 degrees Celsius. And of course, I hope I can give you a better look at this product in this video than in a picture or online. Let's open it up and see what's in the box. Of course, the manual, PDF downloadable, and there will be a language that you will understand. On first sight it looks very small. And that's all there is. And it comes with this holder for the torch. It goes on here. One and a half meter cable length. And it's a pretty flexible cable. Let's see what we have here. It's this small sponge. Fits in here. Another tip, a flat tip. And installed is the pointed tip. And let's see how we can change the tip. I unscrew this. Taking it out. Put the other one on. And then put this back. And we're ready to go. I'm going to connect a 4 amp hour battery. Just like that. And then there is this sponge. And you have to make this wet. It's to clean your tip. So that's all wet now. Put it in here to clean the tip. Putting the torch in here. And first we're gonna take a look how long it will take to heat up. Okay, I'm gonna turn it on now. I have to press it and hold it until it lights up. And then we start the timer. And when it's green, it's ready to go. And that's 25 seconds. That's very fast. Okay, gonna put this aside. We're gonna use this stand, this soldering stand. You can see it in one of my other videos. It's missing some parts now, but you can see the other video. For this stand, I'm gonna put it like this, so we have a good look at soldering process. So I'm not that much experienced in soldering, but I will do my best to show you the product in the right way. I put it aside here. Just untangle the wire a bit. And it comes with two types of solder, a thin wire and a little bit thicker wire. I'm gonna use the thicker one. And I'm trying to show you it from close up to see how the heat will transfer into the wire. Just put a little bit on here. It's a little bit much. And then I'm using the sponge to clean it up. As you can see, I did some tryouts before I filmed this, and I forgot to film one time, but tip is clean again. So for a battery operated soldering station, it's transferring the heat very proper. I made a little bit more space for myself because filming and soldering, I have to watch through the camera to see what I'm doing. So sorry for that, but I will do my best to show you this in a proper way. And it's about showing the product to see if it's something that is suitable for you and to give you a better look at the product. And of course, you want this to work proper. I'm gonna do another one. I don't know why, but in the meanwhile, the machine was shutting down. I turn it on again and it's green again, so we're ready to go. Put it aside, put this one back here, and we're ready to go. And again, transfer some heat in there. Put a little bit of solder on the tip. Well, it's working fine. Heat transfer is good. Oh, well. I melted the wire. And what you want is just that the solder penetrates good into the wire and that it's not getting too hot around here, and it does get hot around the plastic. But as long as it doesn't melt, it's okay. Cleaning the tip on the sponge again. It's so unhandy to watch through the camera to see what you are doing, but try to do my best. Almost burnt my finger. And again, showing you. Oh, I made a really, really weird connection here. But it's transferred into the wire. It's very strong. You can undo this by just putting the tip on there. And melt it into the wire. See, gone. As I said, it's just for showing you the battery operated. Gonna do another wire. And I'm gonna do a close-up again. Oh, wait. Putting a little solder on there. Just makes it easier to transfer the heat into the wire if you do that. And with the closing up, it looks like I'm shaking. But it's the camera. I'm watching through the camera and do this also. Sorry for that. A little bit more on there. There we go. And then we can work from that. A bit on this side. It should be enough. Can do some more. Using the sponge again to clean the tip. A very strong connection, not a perfect one, but it's good to go. So I do like this product, especially for the price. It's very handy. It's compact, battery operated. The heat up time is very fast. It's just a nice machine. What else can I say? It's up to you what you think about it. I do like it. I will show you the sticker here with the model number and the production date. You see it's an older model, of course. It's already for a long time on the market, but I never had it. I just bought it in an offer for 8 euros. Now it will be around 12, 13 euros, something like that. Well, I think it's a very good price for this product. So what else can I say? It's up to you what you think about the machine. As you know, I make the videos to show you the products in a better way than in a picture or online. And I give it a test so I can show you how the products work. I do like it, but it's your opinion what you think about it. Please leave a comment below what you think about this machine. Give it a like if you like this video and subscribe to my channel for future videos. And don't forget to watch the video about the soldering stand I have used. And I hope to see you next time.